Hey guys, what's up? Hey, there's the.
Raichu!
This is Noah's channel.
Raichu!
Yeah. Sure.
Raichu!
You wanna do this in the movie room again?
Yeah.
What the heck?
That hurt my leg.
Guys, I'm sorry. We took all the Skylanders off the shelf, but we're doing. We're gonna clean this up.
We're gonna
Whoa!
We're gonna do Pokemon sounds. Pink going to what Pikachu, yo, and we're going to the evolve form. Okay. My turn.
No.
Raichu! Now you do.
Let's do Bulbasaur.
Bulbasaur.
Wait. I'll do
Ivysaur.
No, you have to do the middle version.
I know. And then you have to do the last one here.
Venusaur!
No, that's how you do it. Venusaur! Now you have to do Squirtle. No, I do Squirtle. I forgot. Squirtle!
Water! Blastoise, you have to do
Blastoise.
This sounds just like it.
Yeah.
Wait.
Wait, do Krabby.
Krabby.
No, then how you do Krabby.
Krabby!
No, then how you do it. And then I do. I did.
It's the same sound, but we're doing Skylander sounds.
No.
If we can remember
them. We still had to do Pokemon. Ow.
Diglett!
Diglett! Oh, Jigglypuff.
Jigglypuff?
Mm-hmm.
Jigglypuff.
No, then how you do?
Jigglypuff! Oh, I just named myself.
Oh, then how you do it?
Jigglypuff!
Oh, Raven. You're doing it by yourself. Fine, I'll do it by myself.
Fine, we're doing it together.
Pikachu!
Dude.
We already did that one!
Bulbasaur!
Oh,
Ivysaur!
Venusaur! Charmander! We forgot about that one.
Yeah, we forgot about Charmander.
Wait, what's the...
Charizard!
No, wait, what's the middle one?
Oh, Charmeleon.
Charmeleon! Charizard!
Squirtle! Squirtle!
Wait, what's the next one after Squirtle? In the middle.
This is the last one.
Bread.
We're done, guys.